Hackography, where tech meets art.
Today we received this camera. It's a Samsung Gear 360 edition 2017 and it's arrived in this plastic bag. Let's open it and check what is inside. Yeah, so left side of the box, right side. Basically it says that it just records 4K videos in 360 degrees. There are two cameras on both sides, so both cameras are recording video, and then the software inside stitching the videos together. It supports Wi-Fi, yeah. It's also Samsung recommends to use high-speed SD cards, micro SD cards. This is also what I recommend because you have to be really careful when you're choosing an SD card for this camera. It should support 4K recording. Be careful, there are cards which support up to full HD recording and 4K recording or video recording. If you're taking pictures only, I think full HD supported cards will work pretty well. So let's open it up, and by doing so, trying not to cut our fingers. This is what we got here inside. Yeah, the camera itself, it got some strange barcode on it. Okay, now I'll come out. This is the camera. This is the front side, this is the back side. The menu button here, as well as Bluetooth button, and also power on and off. This is the recording button here, and there is a small display beneath. It's got actually USB Type-C port here to charge the camera, and this camera, it has an integrated battery inside, and this slot here is for the SD card. Let's try to open it. Okay, it's a little bit tricky, but this is where you put the SD card. Yeah, here a hook for a strap, and there are some holes here. I'm guessing some of them are for audio recording, some of them are just, I don't know what for. Yeah, that's the camera, and it's got this connector there where you can screw your tripod or any something like what you got also for normal cameras, you know, where you can stabilize them, put them on some stand. This is also there. So yeah, this is the camera. There's also some quick start guide, several of them. Also Type-C USB cord. Yeah, what we got here is a small bag where you can put your camera in. It's a kind of protective bag, so be careful with the camera itself, because it got this on both sides, it got this unprotected lenses. If you scratch them, then you will scratch them, I mean you will damage them, and this is not really what we want to do. That's why they also attach this bag, which is very kind of handy. You can put it inside this way and close it this way, so that it's protected on all times whenever you transport the camera. Very nice. This is the strangest thing. I've heard many comments about it, like for example that it would look like a sex toy. I don't really know, but it's supposed to be here attached to the camera. I mean, it's still optional. If you want to do this, you can. this is like to stabilize the camera, because you see this around the corners, it's the stand of the camera is very thin and the head is pretty heavy, so it's standing whenever it stays there without any screws attached to it, just like this on a flat surface. And if you touch the camera unintentionally, it can really drop, and it can drop on the lenses. That's why they kind of created this one where you can put it inside, and it makes the whole thing a little bit more stable. I'm not really very sure about it, but yeah, this is how it's supposed to work, you know. Still, it's up to you if you use this guy, or maybe use a tripod, or they're small, like yeah, like this Gorilla tripod, I think they call it. It has very flexible feet, and you can stabilize in this way, this little guy. Yeah, and you are supposed to attach the strap here to this hook, but I think I will not use this kind of solution. So I think we don't have anything else in the box. Yeah, everything what we got is already here. Yeah, it feels very nice. It's a little bit heavy. I mean, you can feel the weight. It's not very lightweight, and I think the back is very nice as well. I think I will be using it pretty frequently for transporting. And yeah, in the next video I will make a review of the camera. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Give me a like, subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of videos. See you. Bye bye.
Hackography, where tech meets art.